My name's Thomas, I'm one of the co-founders of Fraser International. We are the life science talent consultancy and we're on a mission to enhance life sciences through talent. We are a talent consultancy, though our roots lie in executive search. We've been able to go on a bit of a journey with our customers to really help define the other areas that we may be able to help them in. So, hence the evolution of executive search into talent consultancy. And what that means is we've been able to kind of work with corporate soulmates to understand their problems, help them tackle the talent crunch head on. And what we've been able to do is assess and understand that there's probably 5 areas that we can help support them. So we created a talent ecosystem that helps us work with our customers to attract, assess, search, onboard and retain talent for them. So there's no point in kind of hiring the best talent if it always leaves, or if you're struggling with talent that is leaving, that is also quite impactful when you're trying to hire new staff. So we've worked extremely hard with our client base to understand those challenges and help tackle them. Apart from the talent ecosystem services, search for us is our core product. We are a retained search firm that delivers our searches within 60 days. We work on high complexity, low volume searches across the value chain. So we have evolved as a business to have a real micro niche focus. So life sciences for us has always been the industry that we've worked in. We've been able to get further down into the weeds with the industry, and we have created a matrix organization where we focus on 4 parts of the life sciences. So pharma, biotech, outsourcing and medtech are the 4 business streams that we work within. And then across the kind of matrix structure that we then have specialist consultants that work across our 6 practice areas. So we have scientific and data, we have clinical and medical that work within our science world. Within technical operations, we're working on areas such as manufacturing operations, engineering and technical services. We have a quality and regulatory affairs practice, and then a commercial and general management practice. So what we'll be able to do is really help our customers across multiple locations, multiple skill sets at multiple levels within that leadership search space. I think our micro niche focus really sets us apart. There are real nuances within the life sciences industry that you really need to work within to understand. Also, that is similar within the skill sets that we recruit. So our matrix within the organization means that we have true specialist consultants that work, for example, within quality within the biotech industry in the US. That's their entire world. But then when you replicate that at scale across the business, we've got lots of specialists that share intelligence and that ultimately help our customers solve the talent problems that they've got. The other thing that really sets us apart is the ecosystem. Really being able to speak to our customers on a more intimate level around how they attract the right talent, how they assess the right talent to ensure that the candidates that they're finding are landing impactfully and then staying for a long time. How can they search for the right individuals within the 60-day time frame that we talk about. But then it's also, once that whole thing is completed, it's like onboarding people in the right way, in a safe space, and then retaining those talents. That's the toughest part of it all. Being able to kind of bring all of that together with our different hiring stakeholders within talent, within human resources, or the hiring managers themselves, everybody can then kind of lean on that ecosystem to get the help that they need. I think it's really understanding the customer pool as well. So it's not just about the hiring client, it's also about candidate and candidate experience. So those 2 things often overlap. So we can impress our clients by ensuring that the candidates going through their processes have an amazing experience. But also it's about those candidates that we're working with, as an executive recruitment firm, as one of our core service lines, ensuring that that whole customer base is happy with how they've engaged with us. More often than not, if we can't find that person their ideal role, they are also coming to us to help recruit within their teams. So for us, it's like customer success, candidate experience are the absolute forefront of everything that we do. Our mission is to enhance the life sciences through talent. It is without doubt the most purpose-driven industry in the entire world. So for us to play like a small part in, creating life-changing drugs, medicines, whatever it might be, for us to be able to put the talent into those organizations that then make those things happen is absolutely why we exist as a business. But our approach needs to be as scientific as the companies that we're working with. So there is like no stone left unturned. We are continuously improving every aspect and every process that we have in our business, because that's what our customers are doing within their organizations as well. What makes us stand out is our international reach. As a business, we've been able to work with our clients in over 40 countries, covering APAC, LATAM, the Americas and EMEA. What you do find in life sciences is there are certain hubs where we have more of a network naturally within some of those life sciences and biotech hubs. But we've been able to work across varying locations with, to give an example, we're working with a Danish candidate currently based in China who's looking to work for a Swiss company in the US. So what you get with us is like a global, regional and local search approach, because we have access to all of those markets. We're very passionate about being able to help give a voice to certain parts of the industry. As an example, we have created a lift up community for female leaders in life sciences. This is being run by 7 or 8 of the female leaders within our business that are then creating that community, creating live broadcasts, creating podcasts. But the main kind of reasoning behind it is to give information and access to female leaders within life sciences so they have a space to speak and learn. But also we're doing some other really cool communities within neurodiversity and within some other D&I areas. It's one of the things that we're really passionate about as a business.